Louisiana beer reviews. Portsmouth, Ohio Brewing's Red Bird Ale. Well, there's not much to say about this. It says this is an All-American home run named for the 1939 Portsmouth, Ohio minor league baseball team. It's a steam ale brewed in tribute to the steam ales enjoyed all along the Ohio River in the early 1800s. Caramel malts lend the gorgeous red color and full flavor perfectly balanced with domestic Willamette, Pearl, and Liberty hops. So there you go. That's what it's made with. Alcohol level is nothing on the bottle, and there's nothing on the website. The website gives scant information. It just says the brewery has been there since the 1880s, which I guess could be true, but this beer is so rare. There are literally only 12 reviews. On Beer Advocate, I averaged it out because there was only 5 reviews, but a 64 out of 100 and a 68 out of 100 on Rate Beer with only 7 reviews. So that's kind of average. There are no reviews for it on the Beer and Me, but that's about to change. Okay, let's see what we get with this. River Rat Bushcraft of the Cincinnati, Ohio area sent this to me along with 5 other beers, and I want to give him a shout out. I really appreciate it. Also, I want to say that you need to watch Keith's beer reviews. Whoa! Look at all that smoke. If it's picking up, if you can pick it up. I was given a comment on my page, my channel page, that I'm not doing the smoke anymore. Hey, I hadn't seen any smoke, but I see it now. Hadn't seen any smoke lately from some of the beers I was doing. Ooh. Well, there's a thick, slightly, off-white head and a clear copper appearance. You could smell that aroma as soon as this beer started coming out. Let's swish it around and see if we get any sediment. Oh, we're about to get some overflow though. Alright, let's go with the aroma evaluation. Well, the appearance is really top notch. Let's go with the aroma. Oh man, this is so fruity. Oh man. Fruity. The hops are like floral type hops. This smells like perfume, man. This is one of the best smelling beers I've ever had the pleasure to sniff. I'm not into cocaine and all that dope. This is my drug. Let me sniff a line of this. Okay, anyway, getting back to planet Earth. Well, if the taste is as good as the aroma, I know this is going to be a high score. Let's go with the taste. Not as good as the aroma, but the taste is good. First, let me say it's dry. This beer is so dry. No, I'm not saying it's natural ice dry or Red Dog dry, but it's on the dry side. Get some medium roasted barley. You get that hoppiness coming in. Get some woodiness here. I mean, I don't know if you want to drink beer that tastes like wood, but it does have that aspect. Get sweetness, some maltiness, some say like unleavened bread. The hops give it that menthol type feel in the mouth. The mouthfeel of this is on the light to medium side, and it's got some of that ale softness. I'm not too sure about the woodiness, though. I mean, I'm not too sure about that toothpick aspect and that little stinging sourness in the mouth across the sip. Well, they say don't judge a book by the cover, by its cover, and don't judge a beer by its aroma. You got to go with the taste, man. It's okay. I mean, it's good, it's more or less sort of good. I give it a B minus. Okay. Well, there's some mustiness in that. It's got that sharp stingingness. Like it's spoiled almost. You never know what you're getting, man, with these off the wall beers. The next one might not have that at all. At all. I don't know. Let me give it one more sip. No, I don't like that. It's got even a soap detergent aspect. Like usually when I drink a beer, the more I drink it, the more I like it. The more I'm drinking this, the more I'm not liking it. I can't not go with a B minus. I'm gonna have to go with the two major websites, Beer Advocate and Rate Beer. I'm gonna give it a C. It's average. It ain't even average plus. The more I'm drinking it, I think I'm not gonna throw it out. I mean, I'm gonna finish it, but well, I was enthusiastic at first. Now I've been heartbroken by this stuff. Anyway, like a like a coach of a bad team says, it is what it is. And this team is, if they've played 16 games, they're 8-8. Sorry, Real Rat Bushcraft. I can't answer for other people. All right, San Diego Padres went to a game there, June 24th, 2006. I had never been to San Diego before. I didn't know where to park. I just parked on, I think it was 11th Street, and it was like a few minutes before 6, and after 6 it was free, so I just put a quarter in. That's what it cost me to park. And I walked a few blocks to the stadium. And then I got back on that State Highway 94 and zipped on back to the hotel. I thought I had a schedule guide, but I didn't get one. I think the ticket was $7 to get in, and the guy told me just buy a standing room only ticket for $7. He said you can walk anywhere. He said it's not going to be full, and then you can sit where you want, which is exactly what I did. I was walking all over that place. The ushers, they were watching the game and just making sure people behaved. They didn't care where you sat, as long as you didn't like try to be a fool and take somebody's seat that was there with a ticket. There's an overhead picture of the stadium, picture in the back. I did get this stadium guide, Petco Park, opened in 2004. Unfortunately, I did not ever get to go to Qualcomm Park. I wanted to get over there, and it didn't close because the Chargers still play there, but they stopped playing there in 2003 was there last year. So I really wanted to see a baseball game there, but that will not happen. I would say that this park is fantastic. I went to eat at this restaurant across the street because it's in a really nice downtown area. Okay, it's got a lot to do before and after the game, so I would recommend going there. I mean, you're not going to get bored around there. The stadium itself is beautiful. It's an A+ rated stadium. But I was eating over there, and then I said, oh man, I can't finish this food. I'm going to have to dump it because I got to go to the game. And the waiter said, what are you talking about? He said, you can bring that food in the stadium. I said, well, food in the stadium? Oh yeah, they let you bring food in. Which I was shocked. I went over there. Oh, sure enough, I brought my meal in, and later on I finished it. That was great. And then they have this kind of sitting area, like a levee or a little hill that you can pay $5 and go in and sit in the outfield. It's like a little park in the park, and you just watch the game there with a blanket or whatnot, So, man. This was one of the best. It's one of the best. Stadium map, ticket guide. Yeah, park pass. Standing room only $5. Yeah, that's what it was. $5, not $7. It was $5. You're not going to beat that. You are not going to beat that for a major league game unless somebody gives you a ticket. So this beer, and I'm being generous, let me try one more sip. A C, okay? I'm going to say a C. That's all I'm going to say. This is an A+. So, laissez les bons temps rouler. Let the good times roll here, not there. And I'm going to end this review by saying, y'all come on down to New Orleans.